Did you know you can create a secret area of Instagram for your VIP followers? I'm going to show you how to do that right here, so stick around. Hi, I'm Taylor Thomas Smythe. I'm an author, graphic designer, and just all around creative. And today I'm going to talk about something that an idea I had, and I tried it out recently, and I wanted to share it with you. I don't know that I haven't seen it done super widely, but so far it's been really a neat thing, and that is creating a secret VIP area on your Instagram. And you're probably wondering, how do you do this? The answer is actually fairly simple, but I just haven't seen it used by a lot of brands yet. So this is kind of maybe a newer way to use this feature. Basically, how it works is you use the Instagram close friends feature, but on a brand, you create incentives for people to join your close friends. So, for example, I had a kind of period of time where I said on my Instagram stories, hey, if you share this book trailer that I just came out with for my series, Kingdom of Florida, and tag Kingdom of Florida's Instagram account during this kind of time period, I will add you to the VIP list. And you'll get kind of exclusive news, exclusive updates from me, the author. And so I tried that out and got some great traction. It's a small group, which is kind of the idea of it, to be a little more exclusive. But then so that's kind of how you recruit people into it. One of the way that I have kind of kept this secret area available is I have used Instagram story highlights. Now, if you don't know, I kind of had to figure this out myself, but you can make a story highlight. I should say a story highlight can stay secret if all of the stories that are highlighted in that highlight are only visible to close friends. And so they won't even see that highlight is on your account unless they're part of your close friends group or your VIP list, as I'll call them. So I can create stories and stories that I share to the Instagram story, and only share it to the close friends group. That will share it with the VIP group only. So I like to share, give them a heads up about a new release. Like I gave them a release about the card game that I just released this past week called Triumvirate. They were the first people to know about that. And that was only the VIPs got to do that. It was several days before, the actual release of the game. And then I shared, how to find the link to it, just so only they could find it. And then you can also then go save those stories to highlights and create a highlight that's only the VIP area. And I'll show you kind of a screen recording of what that looks like on my account. All right, so this is my account on Instagram for Kingdom of Florida, my book series. Here you can see the VIP highlight on the left, the green star. When you click that, it will show you all of the past stories that I've highlighted for the VIP access area. I created this sort of splash screen that introduces people to what they can find here. It looks really nice and clean. I actually screenshotted just the normal close friends thing and changed the text, got the fonts to match and everything, just so it looks almost like a pop-up message you might see in the app. I'll kind of walk through here. There's some things I posted a few weeks ago. Up in the top right corner, you'll see where it says close friends only. You can see this. So if someone is in your close friends list, or which we're going to call in this case the VIP list, they will be able to see this, and no one else can see this. If you happened to add another story to this highlight that was available to other people outside of your close friends, then it would show up here. But because I didn't, it doesn't show up there. So let me show you a different account of mine called the Prime Floridian, and I'm going to go to Kingdom of Florida. This account is not a VIP member, so look, they cannot see the VIP highlight. Isn't that cool? However, my account called Taylor Smythe, which is my personal account, if I go there, I can see it because Taylor Smythe is a VIP. And again, see all these things. If you want to post something, gotta go back to Kingdom of Florida. If you wanted to post something to that, all you do is go in here, click the plus sign in the left corner, create, something here, take a picture, and then you'll just click close friends. And if you just click that right away, it'll go right to them. But I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to send them this picture. So that's how it works. This can be a great way to promote your book because it engages the most engaged members of your following and your most engaged readers. It allows them to it allows you to reward them for their engagement, and it also kind of prompts them to take extra steps to want to join your VIP group. Some things to keep in mind: you need to keep it exclusive to some degree, so you can't say everyone who follows automatically gets in the VIP group, or that doesn't mean anything. You also have to make it valuable to those VIP members. So make sure that if you are promising that they'll get extra things or exclusive content, that you're regularly providing that. I'm actually really bad at doing this, so this is all kind of new to me, so I'm still learning the right balance. How frequently are they expecting content? One of the things you can do, one of the things I did early on was post stories that were kind of asking them, VIPs, what sort of things do you want to see? And giving them a little bit of a say in that, maybe a little more engagement than you do your kind of wider base of followers. But this is a really helpful tool that I've learned. I created a special thumbnail for it, just, so it looks kind of fun. It's that star, it matches my color scheme of my account, and you can kind of make it whatever you want. There, you don't have to call it VIP list. You can call it something that works with your brand. I just thought that sounded fun, and very important person is what VIP stands for. So obviously who doesn't want to be in that group? But maybe there's something that's more in the theme of your book or series. You might want to see if there's a fun way you can work that into your account. So I hope you found this helpful. If you use this tool, let me know in the comments. I want to see what other things, what sort of content you are using this for. How is it working out? Any questions you have about how to get something like this started, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to share. If I need to do another video on this or something, I can do that too. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed here. I'll share more videos like this. If you want to hear more about my writing and some tips that I share every once in a while and what's kind of happening, you can sign up for my email list. The link will be in the description below. You can also follow along at ttsmythe.com or kingdomoflorida.com to kind of keep up with my other books and creative projects. So thank you guys so much for listening and following, and I'll see you next time.